depths of the ocean, to the farthest heights being followed under the ozone. We bring that homegrown glistening slogan that makes you stop, look now. You listen to the old school flow with a new school tone. Yes, we unfold the truth like Hogan in slow motion and bring it back to the basics in a moment. So you know we've got the potion to close those doors and we're not in us moaning. A modulated monumental mockery of your motives. Open the window, you hear the noise coasting, triggering neurons in your frontal lobe to evoke emotions in your own sweat soaking to the opposing sex. You know you love the neon sound, raising you 10 feet off the ground. You know you love the neon sound,
raising you 10 feet off the
from the
ground.
darkest depths of the ocean to the farthest heights being followed under the ozone. We bring that homegrown glistening slogan that makes you stop, look now. You listen to the old school flow with a new school tone. Yes, we unfold the truth like Hogan in slow motion and bring it back to the basics in a moment. So you know we've got the potion to close those doors and we're not in us moaning. A modulated monumental mockery of your motives. Open the window, you hear the noise coasting, triggering neurons in your frontal lobe to evoke emotions in your own sweat soaking to the opposing sex. You know you love the neon sound, raising you 10 feet off the ground. You know you love the neon sound.
The neon sound, 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 the neon sound.
You know you love the neon sound, raising you 10 feet off the ground. You know you love the neon sound.